Samsung's 2024 lineup includes affordable models like the Galaxy A5, A15 and A25. They're also planning to launch two mid-tier phones, the Galaxy A55 and A35, in the coming weeks. And a lot of info about the Galaxy A35 has already made its way online over the past couple of weeks. Live images of the Galaxy A35 have been leaked through China's TENAA certification database, which reveals the phone's model number SMA3560, design and specifics about its RAM storage and connectivity. The device was recently detected at the Radio Research Agency (RRA) in Korea, making its first appearance. The image confirms that the Galaxy A35 comes with a flat frame and features the unique key island design around its side buttons, and it'll come in 4 colors: black, green, pink and white. Leakster Evan Blash shared some press images of the Galaxy A35 and A55, where we can see clearly that the Galaxy A35 finally has an Infinity O design for the screen, featuring a modern-looking punch-hole shaped display cutout for the front-facing camera, which is a huge upgrade compared to the Galaxy A34, which has a U-shaped notch on the top of the screen. The Galaxy A35 seems to be equipped with Android 14, suggesting it will come with One UI 6. It's currently unclear if it will have version 6.1. As for the release date, the Galaxy A34 was introduced in March of the last year. If Samsung sticks to its usual schedule, we can expect the official release of the Galaxy A35 in less than 2 months. If you want to know what Samsung is giving us with its mid-range king, the Galaxy A55, you can watch this video after. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.